Welcome back guys to the channel. Yeah guys, today we'll be making some pineapple, lemon and ginger drink. Yeah man, this is our pineapple that we're going to be using in a minute. So let me show it to you. This is my pineapple. Yeah, I'm gonna get it peeled up and dice up along with the ginger and get it in the blender. So I've got a couple lemon here as well, and over here I've got some honey, yeah, along with my brown sugar. So yeah, stay tuned guys. I'm gonna get the pineapple peel up, yeah man, so I can start the blending process. So stay tuned and watch what's going on. And these are good as well guys to make drink. Just add some hot water to it, get some ginger blend up and pour in there as well. That's your drink. Yeah. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get this diced up now. I'm gonna get it in the blender so that we can start the blending process. You know, just cut it up in small pieces. Right, this we're gonna throw this away guys, we don't need this bit. Okay. Gonna have to go get a chopping board. Alright, stay tuned guys, soon come. Yeah guys, so yeah, we have finished the blending process, so we're gonna get our juice strained off. Natural pineapple juice guys. Lemon and ginger. Pineapple juice, yeah man. Pineapple, lemon and ginger drink, yeah man. So yeah, that's it. Easy like 1, 2, 3. Get my lemon. Alright, stay tuned guys, soon come. I think I'm gonna have to add a little brown sugar in there guys. Oh wow, I can smell the aroma coming from the ginger. Oh, it smells so nice. some for a little of it, guys. You'll see what's going on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This is good. So good. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I soon come. Hey guys, I'm gonna give it another strain. Oh. Right. So yeah, guys, that's my pineapple, lemon and ginger drink. Yeah. So I'm gonna have a glass of it. Lemon. But if ever you want to make this drink, guys, it's easy. So easy. Just get your pineapple, get your ginger and blend it up like how you know. Just get it in the blender and blend it up. Yeah? And add a lemon to it. A little honey and a little brown sugar and you're good to go, man. Yeah? But make sure your ginger tastes in it, yeah? You don't want it with a lot of water and no ginger. So I'm gonna sample this anyhow. Oh, yeah, I can feel the ginger burning the back of my throat. That's how you wanna feel it, man, when you're making drink with ginger. Make sure enough ginger is in there. Yeah, it's not nothing to make you cry or, you know what I mean, cry for anyone, you know, or run for your milk kind of water. It's just a little thing. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, you know. We appreciate you around here, man. So what you do for me, give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, I mean, thumbs up. Yeah, man, like up the video. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment in the comment section. Yeah, man, we're around here. Daddy Day, we out. Catch you another one. Have a nice day, guys.